Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the gold chart here, the daily and weekly time frames. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and sign up at the conclusion of this video on the free trial tab to gain instant free access to all of the member-only features like the live chat room, private Twitter feed, daily member-only watch list, daily member-only market analysis videos, and the profitable trade alerts, which not only make you money in the market, but also give you the opportunity to learn while you earn in the classroom setting of the live chat room, where I'm in there all day focusing on trader education and making you a more profitable, successful, and consistent trader on your own. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest you take advantage of it. All right, so let's get to this chart here. This is the daily time frame chart. After this, I'm going to cover the weekly time frame. A couple of things that I'm seeing. First of all, I want to see this very short-term downtrend line right here. We've got a touch here, a couple touches here, a few touches here, almost a touch here. So it's grinding at this angle lower here, and a break over that downtrend line would certainly be bullish for gold. Here we have support at 16. As you can see, we have a touch here, and then 3 touches right here, and a few touches over here in this area on that 16 level. So this is a pretty decent support that bulls of gold want to see hold. Going forward, we've got the next support at about 114, and then we've got the uptrend line that has 1, 2, 3 touches. Now it has 3 touches, which I like to see 3 touches or more to draw a decent support, trend line. And we do have that criteria, but they're 3 separate touches, 3 individual touches, rather than over here, as you can see how they're kind of grinding against it. You know, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches right in here in this span of time, and then we have 3 touches in an even longer period of time. So yes, it's a valid uptrend line, but again, it's not going to be that strong I'm not going to put too much weight on it unless we get another bounce on it. Then I'm going to think that it's going to be a really good trend line. Okay, so now I'm going to cover the weekly time frame of gold. Okay, so the weekly time frame here, if you've been following along, you know longer term, I'm definitely bullish on gold. And if you are watching the gold video for the first time, I'm going to go over a couple reasons why. We've got 3 bullish breakout patterns that we broke out of. Okay, I'm going to go over all of them right now. The first one we have right here, we have a downtrend line right here. Okay, a few touches here, 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 and then we broke over it right here. So that's one pattern. We broke over that downtrend line. And then we have this lower support line right here, okay? And that makes this a falling wedge. So this is the downtrend line of the falling wedge, and this is the lower support trend line of that falling wedge right there, and it broke out of that. So that's 2 bullish patterns. Then we have this downtrend line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we broke over it on the 6th try right here, right there, and that's also part of this channel line right here. So that's just a down angled channel line right here, and it broke over that. So we've got multiple bullish patterns on the weekly time frame that gold broke out of. Okay, this is not to be underestimated. This is the weekly time frame. Breakouts on the weekly chart tend to see big moves. In the long run, I would not be surprised to see gold up here beyond the 140 mark up here, maybe even 150 or so. Okay, that's long term. This is the weekly chart. Okay, as you can see here, we broke down below this support. Okay, so from 150 down to about 115 right here. Well, we touched 115 right here. So from here to here, that took us about 3 months right there just to do that, okay? After we broke that support. So while this is a longer term, it could take as little as 2 to 3 months to get up to this 140 range, okay? Not making any predictions. I'm just basing that opinion based off of how fast it moved right here from 150 down to 115. And we're down here near 115 currently, okay? So bullish on gold. A bounce zone is going to be anywhere between 115 to 110, okay? As you can see, the last resistance that we broke over was right around 110 right there, okay? And that's going to match up perfectly with a retest of this downtrend line that we broke over. So this is going to be the sweet spot where I think that gold is going to get a bounce from. If it does bounce, it's going to bounce from here, okay? Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. Tune in next time for my analysis on gold or any charts that I choose to cover. Again, if you're not already a member, go ahead and sign up on the free trial tab and join the fastest growing community on the web. We'll see you over there.